In the marine industry, hard work is the standard. That means critical engine parts must be regularly monitored and replaced to help avoid costly downtime. At MaK, we know what it takes to maximize uptime and performance across fleets around the world. It's what inspires our repair and exchange part solutions, which help operators reclaim performance with replacement components that are rigorously tested and traced by our engine experts, from initial return to reinstallation. MaK REParts are an economical solution that puts reliability front and center, where reusable parts are returned, restored, overhauled, and prepared to deliver like-new performance before being reinstalled, helping operators protect uptime, restore confidence, and reduce costs by up to 65% compared to new parts. Every step of our end-to-end process is overseen by MaK engine experts who know your engine inside and out. Working in our state-of-the-art facility, we leverage our practiced technical skills and disciplined workflow to help ensure every REPart meets our rigorous quality standards. We document every step and verify every tolerance, anchoring every decision in OEM expertise. It's that dedication to repeatability and process control that helps ensure each part returns ready to perform as it should. From intake to final check to packaging, REParts are built to keep fleets moving, delivering continuity when it matters most. We are here to provide comprehensive lifecycle support for MaK customers for the months and years to come, and for the hard work ahead on waterways across the globe. MaK REParts, precision that protects uptime.